your dish. I've seen them grinning while they test my weight, hiding that venom on a silver plate. If it's war, let the black dog out, but don't play friend with a Judas bow. Following no star, I seen an amen turn into a curse. Heard them pray for my soul while they pick my purse. Sit at my table, drink up my wine, but don't think I'm blind to that serpent line. You pray and I fall while you hold my hand, but I'm the last dry spot in the cypress land. I don't beg for the peace, I don't hunt for the cheers. I paid for this dirt with blood and years. Just don't ride